Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. And today I'm going to be doing a look with my MorphexJaclynHill palette. I know a lot of people probably got this for Christmas, so maybe you're looking for ideas on some looks you can create with this. It is a very beautiful palette. I absolutely love the colors in this palette. You can create so many different looks with it. As you can see, mine is very well loved. I use this quite a lot. So today I'm actually going to be doing more of a neutral look. I think I'm going to do like a bronzy gold look with maybe like a pop of blue or something like that. So we'll go ahead and get started here and let's see what I come up with. Alright, I went ahead and I scooted you in a little bit closer, and so that way you can see what I'm doing here, and we'll go ahead and get started. So I already have my eyes primed, and first color I'm going to go in with is this shade. I'm going to go into this shade right here using my Morphe M518. And I'm going to be taking this shade and putting it all over my crease, going slightly above my crease. And on my Morphe M573, I'm going to go ahead and dip into this shade 3. I'm going to be picking up this shade right here, and I'm going to be focusing this in my crease, but I'm not going to be taking this as high up above the crease as I took the other shade. And this look I actually got inspiration from a fellow YouTuber. Her channel is astoldbyjenny. If I can figure out how to link her channel below, I will. However, if not, you can just go ahead and search in YouTube. It's As Told by Jenny, and I watched one of her videos last week, and she did a really cool look, and she used like a pop of blue, and I was just really inspired, so I figured I'd go ahead and give it a try. And I'm going to be just blending this right into the outer corner and into my crease. But I mean, this palette is an absolutely great palette. It's an absolute staple in my collection. You can create anything from a very neutral daytime kind of look, or amp it up to create a very bold nighttime look. It is a awesome, versatile palette. I really enjoy it. The shadows are super creamy and blendable. And I'm glad they made it a permanent palette. Alright, and to deepen up my outer corner even more, I'm going to be picking up this shade right here. And this is a Morphe brush. The number unfortunately wore off of it, but I believe it's an R36 or an R37. I'm pretty sure this is the one that came in the JaclynHill Favorites collection, so whichever one is listed under there, that is this one here. And I'm just going to be picking up some of that shade there and focusing this right there on my outer V. And next on a Morphe M421, I'm going to be picking up this shade right here, and I'm going to be packing this all over my lid from the inner corner, about 3/4 of the way over. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and I'm also going to throw on some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back and we'll finish the lower lash line. Alright, so now that the rest of my face is done, let's go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. So using my Morphe E36, I'm going to be picking up this shade right here. And I'm going to be blending that across my entire lower lash line. And on my Morphe M432, I'm going to be picking up this shade right here. And I'm going to be putting this across my entire lower lash line, keeping this pretty close to my actual lash line. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be picking up this shade right here, and I'm also going to be using that as my brow bone highlight. And here's the completed look. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below, and while you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!